Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have some Madam Glam gel polishes for you. Maria from Madam Glam sent me some of their new Christmas releases or winter releases, and let me tell you guys, these polishes look absolutely stunning. So I am very excited to show you what's hiding inside this black box. Thank you so much, Maria and Madam Glam, for sending this to me for review. As you guys know, I always give you my honest opinion on products that I receive, and Madam Glam in the past had really gorgeous gel polishes, so I'm really looking forward showing you these as well. If you don't want to miss out on any of my future live swatch videos, then please make sure that you subscribe to my channel before you leave, and of course if you do enjoy these type of videos, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, so I will jump into the swatches. You will have everything in the description box, so if you are interested in purchasing these after you saw my review, you can just click on the link that will take you directly to the website. It's not an affiliated link, and I do have a 30% discount code for those of you who would like to use it. That's Judy30, so please feel free. It's again not an affiliated code, it's just a discount code for my subscribers. Alright, enough of rambling, let's jump into showing you close-ups and then live swatches of some of the Madam Glam Christmas gel polishes. guys think about this collection from Madam Glam? I am really impressed. I was really blown away with every single one of these gel polishes. So this is Madam Glam's Holo 10-piece collection. Thank you so much, Madam Glam and Maria, for sending me the entire collection this time. And I have to say, I am really loving every single one of these gel polishes. My favorite one is definitely Mistletoe, that's the green one. Frosty, that's the blue one, and Holo, that's the purple one. You know, guys, that I love my purples. But all of these polishes are absolutely beautiful, and I didn't have much sunlight when I was filming, but even indoors they look absolutely stunning. So definitely make sure to check out Madam Glam's website. You can use my discount code Judy30, and this will be great for your New Year's Eve or even Christmas. These are stunning. I think this is one of the most beautiful polishes and gel polishes that I own in my collection. Yeah, I love the formula on these. They wear beautifully. I'm loving this entire collection, so I know I'm repeating myself, but that's my honest review and my thought on this entire collection. You don't need everything, so it really depends on your color preference, or if you are looking for just a straight up holographic polish. But every single one of these gel polishes are a great value. They have amazing formula and they look absolutely stunning on the nails. Great job, Madam Glam, and again, a big thank you for sending these to me for review. I am really loving them. So let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite, and if you are maybe thinking about getting any of these gel polishes from their Holo collection, just grab your favorite and you won't be disappointed. That will be all for my review for today. So thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.